promise that you'll never be lonely.
Back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you viewers how I treat my hair extensions, especially hair extensions that I've had for over a year. How I basically send it back to its normal luster. As you can see, I've got beautiful raw hair bundles right here, and this is my raw Indian hair by the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. So this is the silicone mix. We all know about silicone mix. It's been going all over on YouTube, but the original brand has got this smell that I can't really adjust to that smell, and so I stopped using it. Then they brought out this new silicone mix with Bambu, and this smells absolutely beautiful. So it smells like fabric conditioner that we put on our clothing before we put in the washing machine. So this is how it looks like, and this is the biggest package you can get out there. So what I did was, before I go into the video, I just wanted to talk about it. I basically applied this on my hair wig, my wig, obviously there's a wig extensions. Left it for at least 16 to 24 hours. I basically left it on for 24 hours, washed and air dry, and this is the amazing effect. I know there are so many videos ranting on YouTube about, oh, I put silicone mix on my hair and it's not basically working, or the treatment doesn't work. Girl, you bought fake hair extensions. I'm sorry, because if the hair is 100% human hair and you've just had it for a while and it's just looking really old and tangly, if it's actually human hair, once you put silicone mix on it and you basically leave it on for a while, the hair should be looking really nice and fat. And the company is the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I have a 15% off discount code, which is my name, @TVels15. I'll just leave it on the screen, and I'll also leave it in my description box down below. So stay tuned, viewers, to know how to basically treat your hair or your wigs or your hair extensions and make it look really nice, silky and shiny.